I just, me and the wife just wanted to create more freedom in our life, and I think Amazon's probably the way to do it. Although it's going to take us a little bit of time, I think it's the right option to go with. Oh, geez, so much. It's just so in depth, what to look for properly, how to use the eGrow tool, what other sites to use to help find products. Yeah, just so much. It's just been really insightful, and it's helped me a lot. I think the best thing is to network, I think, to get to know other people, and to network with groups, talk to people, because you can't do it by yourself. You need people around you, you know, because they'll have information that you don't know, and you might have the information as well that they don't know. So yeah, I think networking is the biggest part. Yeah, I'd say yeah, definitely get on board, and because you know, Alex and Peter, they're great people. They know their stuff. They talk well about it. You know, they're well informed. They know what they're talking about, and yeah.